In this example, I'm going to use the multiplication rule for probability. You can also think of this as the AND rule, because if the word AND is in the problem or it's implied, it's most likely to be a multiplication rule probability problem. So we have 3 cards are selected from a standard deck of cards with replacement. So with replacement means that a card is selected, observed, and put back. When we have sampling with replacement, the sample space is not reduced. So that's important to keep in mind when you're finding the denominator for these types of problems. Are we sampling with replacement or not? Find the probability the first 2 cards are red and the third card is a queen. So this would be an example of the multiplication rule because the AND is implied here. So this is the probability the first card is red and the second card is red, and then the third card is a queen. So if we're sampling with replacement, the denominator is not going to change for the 3 factors. It's going to be the probability we get a red card, and half the deck is red, so that's 26 out of 52, times the probability we get another red, and since the first card was put back, the denominator is not reduced. And again, that would be 26 red cards out of 52, times the probability we get a queen. Now in a deck of cards there are 4 queens, 1 for each suit, and again we aren't reducing the sample space with replacement, so that denominator again is 52. So we could go ahead and reduce now. That would be 1 out of 13 for that third factor. So that's going to be 4 times 13. So that's going to be 1 out of 52. So this is a valid probability since this value falls between 0 and 1. Or we could go ahead and convert it to decimal if you're asked to do that in a homework problem. So 1 out of 52 is rounding to 3 decimal places, 0.019.